Hello, good morning, friends. Hello, friends, good morning. Are you able to see my screen? Hello. Good morning, friends. Hello. Friends, are you able to hear me? Is there voice, friends? If you're getting my voice, please respond in my any of my groups so that we can start the session. Hello. Just give me a few minutes, friends. I'm just posting link in 2 3 groups. So after that, we will start it, friends. Let me see who all are there. Okay, only 5 members are there. Good morning, friends. Friends, you can ask your questions on which stocks you want, my views. Tell me the name of the stocks. The time where you need to, replace the junk stocks with, the gems. So it's a never before opportunity. This is the right time, for replacing your junk with some good stocks. Okay. So I have shared the meeting link in different groups. Now let me check how many people are there. Okay. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Okay. Please tell me your stocks, please. Tell me the stock names. Okay, you want copper. Actually, this, I have kept this copper future. Those who are holding the stocks, but the stocks they have not bought right stocks. There may be people who are holding junk. Mean the stocks which have nothing, no potential to rise. Okay, so ma'am, you can use this setup anywhere. You can check. I have opened copper future. We are applying RSI, and let us check. VWAP is also there. Yeah, VWAP is also available in investing.com also. But yes, for intraday setup for VWAP, if we want to use the VWAP, that is for intraday basis only. So for intraday, let us go with the 5 minutes time frame. So it will be visible with 1 minute. It's not visible. No problem. What is the problem with this? Okay, we have to check Hindustan Copper. No, it's Hindustan Copper Limited. This is different. not work with the copper future. Let us check copper mini future. Yes, it is available on copper mini futures. Yes, you can check it here. So you can see here from this level. Yeah, let me just check which date is this. Sorry. Yes, on this day, stock gap down. Okay. So it was this time it was in a range. So here one would have taken a short entry and then it's given a some dip. Okay. After this level, it's gone up and given some upward. So you can check it in copper mini futures. Okay. Now, friends, please tell me your stocks that you want to discuss. Hello. Okay, sir. You want, sir? Yes Bank is it's good stock, sir. Nothing to worry. Okay, let me just check once. Yes Bank. No problem with Yes Bank. Sir, buying price in Yes Bank. At what level you have made an entry and how long you can hold this. Okay, so this is the Yes Bank chart. Let us just open. Sorry, I will friends. If you want, we on 1 minute, sir. So first of all, we will go to daily chart. Sorry, monthly chart. What is this? This sweeper is different, I think. Yes. So friends, first of all, we have to look at the monthly chart of this any stock. Okay. And for more understanding, I will add two moving averages that big players mostly use, right? So the two moving averages that are most popular in the traders world, one is 50 and other is 200. So I will make the changes in colors. I will change it to, let us keep it blue. Let us keep it blue, and the other one I will take 200 period moving average. So I will make it red color. This is 200 period. Sorry, 200 period. Okay, fine. So we will fetch that. Other moving average is not visible. Pooja ma'am, there is you're saying that you have shorted this copper. It's closed below VAP and I shorted. Still, it started moving upward. How can we predict that? So simply, ma'am, you have to see if it has, if 1 minute. Let me just, I have to check it again, once again. Copper, copper mini future. Okay. And for that, I will use VAP, VWAP. Okay, its color is same to that of. So I will change its color. I'll change the color of VWAP to pink. So you could see here 1 minute. This is a 5 minutes time frame. Okay. You mean to say you have shorted somewhere here or anywhere here and it's rising up? So it will rise now. There's nothing. Okay, no, you cannot stop it from rising, but you have to exit at right time. If you have taken entry in the, in anywhere in this level or say in this level only, okay, so it has gone down and it has given you good profit also. Okay, is there any doubt regarding this? Well, just wait for a minute. I will give you my, prediction. Pooja ma'am, you are saying this where you have shorted copper. So see, I could see in this portion there is one level where we would have shorted it. Let me zoom. Sorry. So you have got a sell entry as per VAP. That is the pink line I am using here. Okay, it has given one sell entry in this level and it has given a good dip downside. Okay, and then after, sorry, one more level, it has gone below VAP and you would have shorted at the low of this candle, red candle, big red candle. Okay, you would have shorted below this and see it has given a good dip also. But once it tried up, okay, at least I told you once stock goes down and once it tries taking some green candles are there. Okay, just like you would see continuously 2-3 candles are there, so you should have taken exit from this level. So if you would have shorted at this level and you have exited at this level at least, if not here, then you should have exited at this level. Okay, is this clear? Any doubt in this? And for intraday, I'm telling you use 5 minutes time frame. Okay, and follow the system strictly. We have to follow it strictly. I hope it is clear because there is no response from I will go to Yes Bank now. Someone asks about Yes Bank, then Porter Bank, and other banks. So friends, there are many banks which are at the good price level now. Even Yes Bank, I have told you. Even I have given Yes Bank call from 800 and sorry 200. Sorry, what I'm saying. From 210 level and above with a stop loss of 190, 95 or so. Okay, right. And so far it has hit our first target that was at 240. Okay, and my second target is 275, and the day before, the previous day before the previous day, the stock made to somewhere around 64, 65. Okay, and still trading in the range of, yeah, we have to go with this trading presently at what price level it is trading. So it has given a closing somewhere around 245. It has closed down somewhere 245. Okay, so friends, when we are analyzing, so I will remove the VAP now. because VWAP is for intraday only. Okay, so for if we want a view in any stock for long term as a position trader, at least for 3 to 5 years, at least. So friends, we have to first go to monthly chart of the stock. We have to see, we have to understand the monthly chart on the monthly. Is there any level? Okay, so look at these level, friends. See, in past, let me show you some past levels. Look at this level. Stock once it was up at the peak. So from this peak, it given a downward fall. It moved down. Okay, came here. It came to this level, friends, and from here it took a good reversal. It has taken a very good reversal, and this time it crossed the high of previous high level, from where it has given a fall and then made a new high, we can say. It made a new high, then some dip again. You know what happened? Once, some people buy, some investors invested for this stock. So I'm checking for monthly chart, friends. So let me just go to which month is this. Yeah, I have to check it here. I have to check it here. See here, friends, here in this month, in the year 2005, it's July month. Yeah, it's July month. On the 1st of July, stock was here in this level, and it was listed in NSE or maybe in an BSE also. So it moved up. Look at this. It given a one big move from this level, somewhere around 20 or so, and then some profit booking came. So those people. So it is for how many months? Let us just count the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So for 9 months it remained here. It made up. It touched up to 9 to 10 months. Okay. Even for 11 months, it touched 20, 21 level. Okay. And then what happened? Some profit booking came, because those who have invested are bought in lower levels. So they have taken their profit once, small profit. Okay, they took some small profit, and see again. But see, the stock does not lose its, we can say people were still interested in buying stock. So stock did not lose its interest. Okay. And again made a, fresh high of 55 or so. So again, new investors came in, they entered, they took, they bought in this stock in huge quantity. Okay. That took the stock quantities to this level. Okay. 55 level. And again, see what happened now. Now what happened? Those who have invested in these levels, they have taken their profit, and this time the stock fall down below its initial listing level. Okay. And see a candle at the bottom. There is a doji candle. That's a very good reversal sign. So it took reversal from this level. Then it took reversal and given a great up move again, given a fresh move, fresh upside move. Okay. And see this time it crossed the previous level also and made fresh high of 75. Okay. Then some profit booking, and then it moved. So friends, we have to understand the overall chart of the stock. So just look at the monthly chart. If there is a stock which has some history that it has given good profit, okay, in the past also, with some profit booking, profit booking is part of the trading. If we are invested in any stock, so we should take profit. So profit booking is is an important part of our trading. If we are just entering in stocks and we are not booking profit, so then it's no use to enter in stocks. But yeah, our view should be long. So let me just show you from initial listing level. So in the month of July, I told you in 2005, by this time it made in the year 2008, means 3 years, friends. 3 years is a good time. Okay, approximately 3 years, 2.5 years we can say. So for 2.5 years, it has given a good return. Okay, then some profit booking came in. Okay, and stock remained in the downtrend for approximately, let us check, for for maybe 1 year or so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, means for 14 months, means 1 year and 2 months it remained in downtrend, and then again it became attractive to investors. So again it got movement, upside movement from this level. Okay, and this time it made to 55 level. So means from 2009, this is from April 2009, it got an upward movement and given a strong upside movement till this level of or what level, 75 level. Okay, in the month of, we can say, yeah, it's in the month of October, 1st October, in the month of October 2010. Means 1 year return, but this time 1 year return is huge after this big fall. So it's a very good sign, friends. After a fall, if stock covers, so it has covered rapidly, we can say. It took 14 months to fall, and it covered that much more than that. It's covered its previous level as well and made some higher level. Okay, so it has recovered that much loss, we can say, in less than 14 months. So that's a good sign that it's a good stock, good company. Okay, so on it go on. Then again little profit booking came and again moved on. Okay, so friends, first try to understand the overall movement of the stock. Just have a look. So there is nothing bad. It says, it has fallen to this level. Okay, and see the reversal. So friends, if you are in my group, those who are in my group, so I have given a buy call in this stock about 210 level. Okay, and my stop loss is somewhere around 195 or so. I kept a stop loss of this level. Okay, and once it gone to it, my first target was 240. Okay, so it has hit that 240 and now it's even trading. Yeah, it has made a high of 263, 264, and my second target is 275, friends. This level. This level is my second target, and my third target is 300. Where's 300? This is 300 somewhere. Okay, then so on. So friends, it's a good stock, nothing to worry. You can stay invested. But yes, don't forget to take profit. Once a stock gives you some profit, okay, and it shows some fall, like I'm checking you in monthly chart. Okay, so first to try to understand the overall stock, that how the stock is. So just go and check its monthly chart, so you will understand the behavior of the stock. So try to understand how the stock is done in past. Okay, if there is a good history of the stock, that stock has given good returns in past as well, so you can go with the stock at any big dip. Okay, but we should get some reversal sign, just like I have taken. I'm checking on monthly, so let me just show in weekly chart how it looks. Right, so see here, friends, on weekly chart it has, so I have got it somewhere around this week. Yeah, I got this week somewhere above this level. Okay, once it has given a reversal candle, you can see it was falling for continuously for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. It was in fallen. 1 week it given a recovery, and then after I caught it about 210, and it given a good movement till this time. Okay, so we have to catch the stock only on reversal, and you can see RSI. You can combine RSI with this. So once RSI was below 30 and it recovered above that, and see RSI is now taken a U-turn. It has taken a U-turn, means now it is once it was in oversold zone, and then it has taken a U-turn. So only above the U-turn, it has taken U-turn with this candle. Look at this. Okay, once about 30, then we can buy it. Okay, means one stock was below, it gone below. Let me check how deep it has gone. RSI, I'm just want to check RSI value. RSI value somewhere it touched 22 or so, and from 22 it made above 30, and it's a clear indication that it will rise now. RSI is telling us that it can rise. So friends, you can combine RSI. Okay, check it on monthly chart, then on weekly chart, find any reversal, or even on daily chart. Let us go with the daily chart now. Dear friends, on daily chart it has given us an indication. See, after this fall, it has given us an indication that it can rise now. So I have caught it somewhere in this range, friends. I caught it in somewhere in this range, and my stop loss, I kept a small stop loss of 195 somewhere at this level. I don't exactly remember. I think 190 or so. I kept stop loss of 190 or so. I don't remember my call this time, stop loss. Okay, but somewhere in the range of 90-95, in that range only. Okay, so see how it has got. So, and see the RSI value. So once RSI is crossed above this level, so we can, so I have initiated by entering this level somewhere. They're in this range. Okay, so friends, this way, and when you have invested in this stock, so just keep on checking the daily chart of the stock. Okay, So keep checking daily chart of the stock. If you find any size somewhere you got it that stock is falling continuously for 2-3 days, okay, just like there is a condition like that stock is falling for continuously for 1 day, 2-3 days, 4 days, or at least 1 week, okay. So you should understand if a stock is just like look at this level, stock is continuously falling for these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7 to 8 days spends. So it's an indication that it may fall now. So you should be cautious that time, or you should take an exit from the stock. Good morning, Ajay sir. Okay, you should take an exit. Okay, doesn't matter where you have, suppose. So friends, you have to understand this thing. And for simply, for anywhere you have invested in any stock, so it's not just you have invested and you can sit, without any tension. So you should regularly keep a check on the stocks, how they are performing. If stock is continuously, in downtrend for 1 week or so, and you could see that stock can fall now, you can just like look at the moving average. So this is 50 period moving average. Once stock is below 50 period moving average, you should take an exit. Okay. And there is one more rule, friends, for investors. Those who are investors, those who can hold stocks for 3 to 5 years. So my simple logic is, once a stock moves, below your entry level, it goes below 8 to 10% from your entry level. So you should take an exit. Simply take an exit, and you can re-enter in that stock at some lower levels. You can take an exit from that, in that stock at lower levels. But once you need to exit, so see, for your exit, you will keep it on the daily chart. Check on daily chart the 50 period, moving average. If stock goes below 50 period moving average, so it's a clear indication that it's weak now. And see what has happened with Yes Bank. It has once gone below 50 period moving average. Okay, and this red line is my 200 period moving average. So see, it has gone below both the moving averages. So anywhere you get a stock that has gone below both the moving average, so it's a must exit. It's a must exit, friends. Don't hold that stock. You can buy it again at some reversal at the lows, but you need to take an exit in this range, anywhere in this range. So those who have not exited, see what has happened. Stock has given a very big fall, maybe due to some news or other things. But once below 50 or 200 period moving average, okay, the right exit is below 50 period moving average. This is the right exit, friends. Let me show you in past also. See, somewhere at this level it touched 50 period moving average. Okay, as suppose someone has taken entry and someone has exited. Okay, so once it again rises above 50 period moving average, you can re-enter it. So, but this time, suppose you have entered in anywhere in previous level, okay, maybe this level, okay, it moved to this, but you could not take profit. And see, continuously it is falling, friends. So for quite long time, you see more red candles are there. So you should understand that stock can fall now, and once gone below, you should take an exit at least this range. So if you have exited in this range as well, if you have entered in this range, okay, if you have taken an exit in this level, so nothing, you have not lost anything. You're still in some profit, okay. And once it gone below but remained in this range and again given an up move from the level, so you can re-enter from this level. So one day it gone above 50 period moving average, so you can take entry in the next day. Next day you take an entry. Okay, so from that level it gone up, okay, made this level, okay, and again started falling. Okay. So friends, if you are a conservative trader, we can say small investor, you don't want more risk. So this is the best strategy. Then you can, use the 50 period moving average as per your exit. Okay, but if you have a long term, horizon just like 5 to 10 years, then you can ignore this thing. You can ignore 50 period, and you can go with 200 period. You can go with 200 period moving average. So once the stock goes below 200 period moving average, sorry, I'm not. Let me just go back. The 200 period moving average is not shown. So we can go back, maybe the line is available now. Yes, friends, now I could see 200 period move average. See, it has just touched it, but it is not broken. This time it has just touched 200 period moving average, but not broken. Once it has broken and gone, one can close below that. So there you need to take an exit. But it has not closed below 200 period moving average. So you can still remain in, if you are a long-term investor. Means those who have time horizon of 5 to 10 years, So they have nothing to worry once stock is still above 200 period moving average, so they can still hold it. They can hold it, friends. Right. Okay, once it gone below 200 period moving average, see what happened. So there they should also take an exit. It's a must to take an exit in this case. So friends, overall this Yes Bank has nothing to worry. Those who have invested, they can stay invested. Okay. So next I'm getting, there are people, who want a view on Yes Bank, sorry, Kotak Bank. So Kotak Bank, nothing to worry, friends. It has given a very good, move. So it's a good opportunity for investors to take an entry in this stock. It has given a good, it has come to a very good level. It is a good correction in this stock. So it has become a, at the right value now, because it has fallen from somewhere around 1400. Okay, it once came to 1000 level also, 1044 or so. Yeah, 1000 level exactly, friends. It has came to 1000 level as well. Okay, so it has came to 1000 level also, and now it has given, it started upward journey, or now it is about to cross this level of 200. Sorry, yeah, 200 feet moving average. It is about to cross that level. Okay. So once it will take support of this 200 period moving average, then you can see even 50 period moving average is also coming down. Okay, so stock will immediately take support of this both the moving averages, and it will. Okay, and look at the this moving average. It has gone below. Sorry, RSI. It has gone below this 30 level of RSI, and but now it's above 30 level. Okay. So it is now rising upward, so it can go higher. Okay, let me just show you the monthly chart, friends. See the monthly chart. So it has given a healthy correction, friends. See from this level, see, look at the past level of stock. Everybody, I think everybody is familiar to Kotak Bank, how well it has done in past. So it's a very good stock, nothing to worry. Those who have it, they can hold it. Okay, so friends, for investor, I suggest to take the help of these moving averages of 50 and 200 period. Okay, and first we need to check it on. See on on monthly chart, it would have, if somewhere came to this level as well. Okay, so we would have taken entry in this stock. So for investor, there is nothing to worry, friends. Okay, because it's a good company. We should look at the overall chart of the stock. But there are people who are holding some junk stocks who have not given any good, their results are very bad in past, history is very bad, and therefore long time they're in downtrend, but people are still holding them. So such stocks are called junk stocks. So I will strictly say, friends, for to replace those junk stocks with some good stocks like Kotak Bank or Yes Bank. Okay. Private sector bank is better, friends, compared to public sector bank. Better avoid public sector banks, because if you check any public sector bank, their results are not good. Their charts are not good. They're not attractive, friends. So I stay away from public sector banks, because there are different policies of government which make they are not able to do well. Okay, but you can go with private sector banks at healthy corrections. Okay, and someone asked me about IndusInd Bank, my favorite bank. It's very good, friends. You can buy it. I suggested to buy IndusInd Bank around 1500, 1600, and once it given a dip somewhere around 600 level also. Let me check IndusInd Bank. 1 minute. What is its symbol? Okay, IN Bank. Okay, IN Bank. IndusInd Bank. See here, friends. Look at the overall chart of the IndusInd Bank. How well it has done in past. So friends, just look at the past history of the stock. Just go with the monthly chart and study it past. Just study the past history of the stock. You will get an idea that whether you should invest in this stock or not. Just have a look. Just have a look. It has given multi-bagger return, friends. It has given multi-bagger returns. Okay. And it's a healthy correction, man. It's a healthy correction. And this is, if there is no correction in market, how can new investors enter in this stock? So this healthy, correction is, most welcome step. For investors, it's a good opportunity to enter in this stock. Look at this. It has came to this level and I suggested to buy it till 1500 level as well. I was expecting that it can fall even to this level as well, but it has given there's a reversal candle also. So let us just, it's not clear I think, so let us just check weekly chart. Yes, it has given a reversal sign also. So let us just check in weekly chart, sorry, daily chart. So see friends, it has taken a reversal. So you can check it has gone above. Sorry, I did not check the value of RSI and weekly chart. Yes, friends. So on weekly RSI, it has given you can see the RSI value. It's now pointing upward. So it's a good sign that now it can take reversal. There is a high probability that it can take reversal, but if it falls to somewhere around 1400 or 1500 level, so that would be a good entry for investors. Nothing to worry. It's a good stock. It's a multi-bagger stock. You need not to worry about. Hold it. Those who are having, they can hold it, or we can say fresh people can also invest in this stock. It's a good stock. Currently in 1600 level, somewhere 652 level. So friends, soon this bank will be those who have a horizon of 5 to 10 years. So you can see this stock somewhere around 3000 or so. Okay, so it's a good opportunity for investors to enter this stock because it is recently came from. So there is nothing to worry. This stock is good. Okay. Any other doubt, friends? DHFL, friends. DHFL has something. Let me check DHFL. DHFL. So not a recently it has corrected very badly. Okay. Okay, it has given a very bad correction. But if someone has a horizon of we can say 3 to 5 or 5 to 10 years, then one can stay invested in this stock at current levels as well. Okay, because see friends, there is a level of 200. Okay, so in past when it was fallen, okay, so at that time I had given my recommendation as well that we can collect it somewhere around 200 level. Okay, and once it has came to, yes, it has once came to 200 level. Look at, there is a wick. There is a wick, friends. It has came to 200 level. Okay, and then given an up move. It has started up move now. Now it is 292. So means those who have entered this stock in 200 level. Okay, I have given my recommendation to buy this stock from 200. Okay, and it once came that level exactly. You could see the wick. I can change the color of the wick so that you can clearly see where my buying level, where I suggested my buying. So it has given that level, friends. I will make it blue so that it can clearly visible. And this is red. So see, friends, you could see here the stock has came to that level. It has came to 200 level exactly. Look at this. Look at this candle. It came to this level, made up. So those who wanted to enter, they would have entered in this stock, and now it is trading at 292 level. Okay, but for small traders, those who have a view of 3 months to 6 months, so I will say that they need to some still more patience for we have to wait in this stock. Okay, so we have to see whether it is take some good reversal sign or not. So we have to wait for it, because for short time it's not it is little maybe risky also, because it has fallen badly somewhere 72%. That's a very big fall. So I suggested for small short time investors, so stay away. But those who have a long term horizon, they can stay stay invested in this stock, and even in dips also. Okay. Okay, friends. So this is the level, friends, I suggest you to enter in this stock. So if it has given a fall to that level also, now trading at, so friends, those who have invested in this stock for short term, so they can take the profit. If we get that any days, 2-3 days it remains down, 4 days, 5 days, okay, because it has just taken a reversal, so its reversal is not still confirmed, friends. It would be best to stay invested in this stock about 350 level. That would be for conservative investors. Once it is above 350 level, then we can take an entry in this stock. Any other stock, friends? I have got 2-3 messages only. And all these stocks you have asking me, they are they are good company, they are not bad, okay. But yes, due to some news, it has fallen badly, okay, right. So there must be something negative to this stock. We don't know exactly, but it's looking at its chart. Looking at its chart, it is good. It is not bad. So I can tell you only technical part, friends. Fundamentally, you have to see. We have to see the fundamentals. But technically, it looks good. So one, for conservative investors, they can invest in this stock above 350, because see, by 350, 355 level, there will be the support of 200 period moving average as well. So that's why I'm telling that somewhere around in this range to 350 or so, we can stay invested in this stock again. Can we check it, friends? And there is one simple, I just tell you that please, stay away from government sector, government companies, okay? Because there are some companies which are totally directly dependent on the government decisions, okay. So anytime government takes some wrong decision, so for as per present level, okay, stay away from this petroleum companies, because their income directly comes from their income is directly affected by government decisions. So there we can see some, if government takes any bad decision, any wrong decision, so stocks can fall as well. So see here, friends, what I have told you, that once stock goes below 50 period moving average, okay, so we should take an exit. So see, it was continuously falling for this time, so investors should understand this thing. It was falling down, friends. See, it has fallen down and it's on weekly chart. So let me just check daily chart. Okay, so once on weekly chart it has gone below 50, so we should take an exit. It's a clear exit, friends, right? Clear exit that time. Try to understand this thing. And see, once, if early times, those who have not taken profit in this level, so they should have taken exit once it goes below 50 level, because these moving averages are very important for investment purpose. We can re-enter in stocks if we find some stock is attractive. We can re-enter in stock, but once stocks goes below 50 period or 200 period moving average, so we should strictly take an exit. And for exit, we should use the daily chart. So let me check daily chart. For entry, you can take weekly or monthly chart. You can check the levels. You can take some good levels. You try to understand some good levels. Let us go back, so that the red line, that is 200 period moving average line, also appears in the chart. I hope the line would be visible now. Okay, friends. So let us go now. How many people know death cross, friends? Is there anyone who know the term death cross? So there is a stock at this level, somewhere in this level, around 380, 83, 85 level, somewhere. Okay, so what is the death cross? Death cross is a cross between 50 and 200 period moving average. When 200 period moving average comes above the 50 period moving average, or 50 period moving average goes below, crosses below 200 period moving average. Okay, right? So this is called a death cross. So anywhere in death cross, we should take an exit without any second thought. Take an exit and see what has happened. Once death cross, so it's as the name is death cross. So see, for conservative traders, the right exit would be somewhere in this range. In this range, they might have exited, and once those who want to they find that it is close to moving average of 200 period on daily chart. So once below this 200 period moving average, so there's a must exit, friends. It's a must exit to take an exit below this. Means below 400 level, it should they would have taken an exit. Okay, and see after the death cross is there. See from death cross level, from 400 level, there's a death cross, and till the time, look at this stock, it has fallen to this level. So from 400 level, it made to low of 161 or so, 165 somewhere. So friends, what happened? Fallen badly, and you could see here many a time in daily chart it could just touch that 50 period moving average, but could not cross that. Okay, at just one level it crossed it, but next day it fallen down. Next day it fallen down. Okay, again. So see, again try to go higher, but again fall. Okay, again fall. Right. So friends, for investors, it's these two moving averages of 50 and 200 period moving averages. They are very important moving averages. So strictly follow these two moving averages strictly. Okay, if we are a conservative, if we don't want more risk, you can take an exit from 50 period moving average, and if you can take little risk, then you can wait for a 200 period moving average on daily chart. Once it goes below 200 period moving average, so you should take an exit. Doesn't matter where is your entry, whether you're in profit or loss, you should take an exit. Right, but there is a thumb rule, friends, that those who have invested in anywhere, and if stock goes below that entry level, it goes below 8%, so they should take an exit. Okay, so we should understand our trade is wrong, right? If we have invested in any stock, and if it goes below of entry level, it goes 8 to 10% from the entry level without taking any second thought. Don't think more. Don't be greedy. Don't make speculation. Don't just think that it will rise. Okay. Once gone below 8 to 10%, we should take an exit, and we can buy it on again at lower levels if we get some reversal signs. Okay, so this thing is very important, friends. I have seen people, their stocks have become half of their value, but they're still holding those stocks. So friends, okay, it is for those people that we should have an exit level also. Exit is very important, friends. Our exit is very important, and for those who don't those who can't hold for a long time, maybe 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. Okay, once a stock gives you 20% returns, you should think of taking a profit in that stock. Think of taking profit of 20%, and then you find another stocks. So see here, friends, here is golden cross. This is golden cross. I have shown you death cross in Hindustan Petroleum Corporation. Once there was a death cross, and recently in past level also there is also a death cross. Let me go back so you could see one death cross again. So these death and golden cross are very important. Just follow them so you can make money. Let us go. Okay. Here, friends, this time in this range there is a death cross. Okay, there is a death cross. Stock try to move higher, they try to rise higher, but from level of 60 to that time was just 62, 63, okay, 61, okay, could not move higher. And see, once gone below both the moving averages, see what happened. From a level of 60, 65, once gone below 65 level, it made low to 34, means became half. So this is the importance of these moving averages. 50 and 200 moving averages. They give us wonderful indication, friends. There's no second thought. Once stock goes below both the moving averages, take an exit without thinking much. Don't make second thought. Don't think, don't speculate. Don't take your own, own thoughts that it will rise or so. Okay, and see, once it has taken support of this 50 period moving average, so you can take entry that level. One can take an entry, and safe entry would be once it takes support of both the moving averages, as there is that is called a golden cross. So let me show you golden cross. This is a golden cross, friends. Here is a golden cross of 200 period moving average. You know, it crossed below. That means 50 period moving average taken above the 200 period moving average line. So see, we would have entered in this range anywhere in this range. Okay, let me just highlight this portion. Let me just highlight this portion, entry level. It should be our entry level, friends. Anywhere in this range, we would have entered in this stock after the once there is a golden cross and daily chart. I'm telling on daily chart, friends. Don't just take it and golden, you know, for any time smaller time frame. If you are an investor, your entry should be as per daily chart, and golden stocks. Sorry, golden crossover is there. So you can take an entry, and accordingly, if there is a death cross, you should take an exit without making a second thought. Don't take, you know, any decision from your stomach. There should be no gut feelings. Okay, so see, from this level, anywhere we enter somewhere means 55. Let us say we enter 55 range, or even 51 somewhere. Okay, so see, let us go forward. How well it has done. It made high of 100. It has doubled, friends. It has doubled, almost doubled. So what else you need? What else you need, friends? See, again, for safe, those who can take little risk. It has once gone below 50, but still in support of the 200 period moving average on the you know daily chart. So there's nothing to worry about. It may come somewhere in middle also. Sometimes it happens, friends. It comes close to 200 period moving average, but did not broke and again rise. So that time we need some patience. Or if we you know we don't have patience, we think you know if we are fearful, then we can take exit once it goes above this range. So you can take an entry again in this range. You can take an entry again, because you know these moving averages are so you know they do not change easily. They do not change easily, friends. See, this time it is just touching here. 2-3 levels just touched, but could not break this level. Could not break this level. Okay, and see, it was still up. Okay, this day it broke, and one would have taken a see, friends. Once said it came close to 200 period moving average, and but not break low below, and again given a rise. Okay, so it made to 207. 120 somewhere this time. Okay, friends. So I hope this thing is clear to everybody. There are some messages reflecting. Let me just study. Hindustan Petroleum, please. So, friends, I have given you an idea that let me just currently check it. Okay. Currently, friends, if we are look at this, if we should wait, if we are a safe player, we should wait for this stock to take support of 50 period moving average. That means once it should be above this level. So you can clearly see that it has fallen badly from this level. Till the time it doesn't take support from this level, 250, 55, it should not cross this level. So we should stay away from this stock. Okay. We can stay away from this stock if we are safe players. Okay. For risky players, you can check the level of 270 above. Once it crosses about 270, they can enter. Okay, about 270, one can enter about 270 because there is a support of 200 period moving average. Okay, and let me check in daily chart. And daily chart as per yes sir. Okay, as per daily chart, see friends, as per daily chart, it is 250, 60 somewhere, 260 safe. Means 260 to 70 level above. Once it crosses about 260, 70 level, we can take entry above that if we are a safe player. Okay. Let me just check any other messages, friends. Okay, Tata Motors. Friends, wait in Tata Motors. Simply wait in Tata Motors. Tata Motors is, it is now it's a fundamentally good company, but let it correct somewhere a little bit. It will surely give some correction to. I hope that it will correct somewhere up to 150 level. Okay, so once it is around 150 level, you can enter there. Let us show some little corrections. Okay. Okay, because let us just look at the monthly chart, friends. For quite a long time, this stock is in downtrend. Okay, it is in downtrend. It has broken one major level. Okay, so I hope this stock could come this range, this level of 150 or so. I hope that this stock could fall to 150 level also somewhere. Okay, once it falls to 150 level, and see, look at the RSI, friends. RSI is a very good indicator if you are a long-term investor. Okay, for investors, the RSI is a wonderful indicator. See how well the signals are. Look at this level. Look at in past level. There was a fall for quite long time. I'm checking on monthly chart, friends. This is monthly chart. So for how long means approximately, I hope just it may be for 2 years or more. Let me just check how long. From April 2006 until the time it is. This is 2009. Okay. So for 3 years, friend, this was in downtrend. Stock was in down for 3 years. Stock was in downtrend, and see, once RSI has broken 30 level and gone below, it has fallen. RSI fallen below to 28 or so. Sorry, 23, friends. And once it crossed above 50, sorry, not 50, sorry, friends. Once it crossed above 30, so see, at that level, one would have taken an entry in the stock. At that level. So make use of RSI, friends. RSI is a very good indicator for investors. And I am checking on monthly chart. Once it crossed above this RSI 30, that's a very good entry level. So see, we can there's no need to stop loss at that time because it has crossed above 30 level. Okay, and after that it has given a very good move. So let me check the price. 24, friends, 24, 26, even maybe 40 somewhere. Okay, so it has straight moved to 260. Okay, so it's a wonderful entry at that level, friends. So something same, I feel that something same would happen with the Tata Motors. Okay, it has given a very good correction. It is now at a very value, it has come to a very strong level, but I am waiting for the RSI because RSI has not given us any reversal indication. Let me check weekly RSI also. Let us check weekly RSI. Maybe on weekly, no, nothing. Even weekly RSI is down. So there is no, we can say, green signal from the RSI. Once RSI gives us a green signal, so we can enter in the stock. But I will wait for the RSI signal to be, to be there. And see the death cross. I told you about death cross. Once there's a death cross, it has gone down. Let me check on daily chart. On daily chart, the death cross might have maybe have happened somewhere later. So friends, don't forget these two moving averages. If you are an investor, these two moving averages are they're very important for you. It's like a blind man's stick. Strictly follow these moving averages. See here, once I think there might be a even golden cross. Let me go back just to check this level. See the death cross somewhere. Look at this level, friends. It has gone below 50 period moving average. So see, it has fallen very badly. Let me just go and I will show you. Immediately, it doesn't come. Both the moving average do not show immediately. So let us now move forward. I hope. Yes, I could see the red line, that is 200 period moving average. Dear friends, this is on daily chart. So on daily chart, there is a death cross. Once there's a death cross, stock has already gone below 50 period moving average and 200 period moving average. So one should have those who are holding it. they should have taken exit in this range, 540, 500 as well. Okay, they should have exited and see that there is a death cross is there. Red line, that is 200 period moving average above the blue line. It is at the level of 520. At 520 level, there was a death cross. And see, death cross, as the name is, it will murder the stock. It has murdered the stock. See, it became half, approximately half. So investors should understand this thing. Investors should understand this thing and follow it strictly. See what happened. Who can afford this much loss? So it's better to exit with a small loss of 8 to 10% and exit from the stock. Wait for the stock to take some reversal and re-enter. Okay, once it given a and for if we are a safe trader, so we should wait for the 200 period moving average also to take support of the stock. See, it came support, so someone might have entered in this level, but that should be active. Here we need to be active. Once it goes below, we should take an exit. So see, someone if has entered in this range of 350, 60. Okay, it gone below this level, so it has gone below 280. So one should have taken exit. Okay, once it started, it could not cross 200 period moving average here in this range. So one should understand, take an exit, book profit immediately. See, 350, 60. Let us say one has entered 360 level. It gone up to 427. Okay. So once you see 2-3 candles are downward there, okay, and it could not cross this level of 200 period moving average. So you could see that line is there and it's approaching there, but stock could not cross. So take an exit, take profit, exit it. Simple. So means at least you would have locked 40 points, at least, friends. At least 40 points. Okay. See here what happened now. What happened? Once it came in support. Once stock came in support of this 200 period moving average. So one would have taken entry in this level anywhere. So let us see, one would have taken entry at 385 or so. See, it gone up, came here, okay, but could not broke this level of 200 period moving average. Okay. See. So our entry is around 385. We entered 385 level because see, I have told you that we can take an entry once stock goes above 200 period moving average. So see, for a few days it remained here. Okay. So after this range is broken, friends, once this range is broken, let me take one more level to highlight this portion. I will take rectangle. So this is a level, friends. Here we need to have a patience. Wait for this stock to cross this range. Once this range is broken, you can take an entry. Because you are taking the support of chart as stock has taken support of this 200 period moving average. That's not a small thing. So suppose somewhere we entered 388, 390 as well. Let us say we entered 390 as well. Okay, 390. Okay, right. So let us go forward. See, stock has made 595 or so. Okay, and there is a reversal candle, friends. Let me show you one reversal candle is there. There is one reversal candle. Look at this. This you can say there's a small plus like candle. That is a reversal candle. So for simply, I'm telling you, for those who don't know the names of these candles, nothing to, okay, we don't need to understand this. Once it has given a very good upward rise. See, many times it tried to but could not break 50 period moving average. Okay, so once it has given a very big movement from say somewhere around 100 points, friends, we have got so far 100 points. It's not bad. One would have taken a profit exit there. Okay, or if we follow this strategy as per I'm telling you, till the time it does not break below 50, we should not exit. So see, one would have taken exit in this range. Anywhere in this range, we should have taken exit 525, 29, 30, so somewhere. Okay, so still we would have made money. Okay, we entered somewhere around 490, I think. Let me just check. 490 or so. No, sorry, 390. I thought 490 is 390. Yes, it's 390. So we entered at 390 level and we exited at 500 and 1 minute, let me check in our exit. Yeah, our exit at 530. How much points, friends? 390 plus 10 is, let us say 400. Let us say we have ended at 400 and we have got 130 points. It's a huge gain, friends. Till this time, we would be earning 200 points. What do you say, friends? How is my setup? How are my moving averages? And once gone below, we taken an exit, and those who are safe players, very safe, they should have taken exit below this level also. And see, that is at level 450. So still they have earned 50, 60 points. Still they have earned 50, 60 points. Okay. But yes, it has again gone above. So sometime it may happen also. So we can take re-entry here. Re-entry. Okay. And so suppose we have re-entered here and it has gone below. Where is the re-entry? Somewhere at this level. 487, 490 say, and our exit is also same level. So this time it has given, we can say cost to cost. So somewhere it may happen also sometimes. Okay. So I hope, friends, this thing is clear now. Let me just go forward. See, once again, it's below that. See what happened. Okay, so it is the latest level, I think. Yeah, this is the latest level. Let me just minimize it. Sorry, this RSI is getting problem. Oh, sorry, friends. What happened? RSI. I want to remove RSI, but sorry, moving average. I want to add both RSI and moving average. Sorry, friends. Just a minute. Give me a minute. Just use two moving averages, 50 and 200. And daily chart, minimum daily chart, friends. Minimum daily chart. Okay, so I will keep ones with the same color. And the second one, I will go with 200 period moving average. And that's in red. Okay, so let me just show you. See, friend, this is the latest level. Latest level, it has crossed below this, both the moving, it broken below 250 period moving average, and both, moving average, both the moving average at around 415, 16 level somewhere, 410 level somewhere, and gone below. Once it tried to touch it, and daily chart, I'm showing on daily chart. Once it tried to touch but could not sustain, again fall. Again tried. So it keeps on trying to cross that line but could not sustain. Here it tried but could not sustain. Again fall. Okay. So here is a depth cross somewhere back. Depth crosses happened somewhere in this range. 495 level. In this range somewhere. 480, 80 level somewhere. Yeah, there was depth cross has happened in this range somewhere. Okay, so stock could not cross 200 period moving average. So here it has crossed 1 or 2 days but could not sustain. So we should wait for the sustainers. We have to wait for once it sustains, then only we can trade. So even it could not break the the candle high. Let us see, this day it has crossed it. This day, look at one big candle is there. Stock has crossed this 200 period moving average. Okay, but for conservative investors, those who are not, friends, here we need to have a patience. We should wait for this stock to cross above this level, give some closing above this one candle above. So it has not crossed above, means 467. So we need a closing above 467, 470, then only we can enter. So there is no question of entering in this stock. Again tried but could not sustain. Made a range. So in this range we should need to be cautious. We just keep watching. If it sustains and crosses above that level, and then we can enter. So it remained in a range but could not break break the range upside. It has fallen down. Okay, so I think this is clear. So fans, still wait for this stock to break. Okay, it will, I hope that it will fall down somewhere around 150, 140 as well. I think so. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay. But as I could feel that it can still fall. And see, RSI is still not crossed. So wait for the RSI to cross above 30 level. Once RSI crosses above 30 level, you can enter. You can enter that level. Maybe by that time it may be somewhere around 200 or 200 and higher also as well. But we have to wait for this reversal sign from the RSI. Okay, so there are many messages coming, friends. Okay, Ajay sir, you know the death cross? Good sir. Use it. I told you Tata Motors, friends. Okay, what is the next question? What is percentage of SL ideally if take? Friends, I told you for investment we should take 8% logic. I've read in many books that they recommend 8% loss. 8% loss from the entry, we should take an exit. Okay, 8 to 10% loss. Don't bear more loss. Otherwise, it can take at 50% or even 100% of the capital is lost. So don't wait for that. Okay, if stock is not giving you profit, you should understand, take an exit simply. Don't think more. 8%, sir, 8%. Okay, Ajay sir, I generally take 10%. Yes, sir, very good. As positional or for intraday, but 40% my stop loss hit and bounce back. Okay, sir, 40% is big amount. Okay, 40%. I am saying that if once you have taken an exit at 10%, once stock goes below and it gives some sign of reversal, so you can re-enter. You can re-enter, sir. So you are saying about bounce back, so it may bounce. Okay, it may bounce, so you can take re-entry. You can re-enter. Now, how can you afford to lose 40%? Okay, if you have exited at 10% loss, so stock has gone 40% low. Okay, so means you have saved 30% of the amount. Okay, and there are stocks which just like look at Tata Motors, it is falling continuously for quite a long time. Let me just show you on weekly chart that for years it is falling down, and there is no sign of reversal till date. See, it has started fall from this level as well. Let me check it in the year. It is continuously falling from more than 2 years, friends. More than 2 years, I think so. Yeah, from 2016 October. Yeah, from October 2016 it started to fall. Okay, there's one small fall, then some recovery, then again fall. So see, after that there is fall only. There is some recovery also, but it's a very weak recovery. Okay, once death cross on weekly chart, fallen down. Okay, so we should understand these things, friends. We should understand this thing. Okay, please view on Infosys and Titan. Friends, Infosys and Titan, I think that, as the, dollar is, already trading our Indian rupees trading at the lower time. Indian rupee will become stronger, dollar will weaken. Okay. If dollar will weaken, then the tech stocks will they will give some correction, and just like the correction has started in uh, IT stocks, the correction has started. Just like look at TCS and so there is some correction is seen. Okay, let me check USD INR chart. So for 2 days there is a continuous fall. I will show you in daily chart. So see here, friends, there is a fall in dollar, and look at the RSI. And someone in one group was telling that now this Indian rupee will it become 80 and so, and I told them that from 75 level it should fall, and see exactly it gone somewhere around 80 75 and it started falling. Okay, and look at RSI. RSI is telling us that it will fall more. So if dollar will weaken, okay, and Indian rupee will it becomes stronger. Okay, so then these companies will give more correction. IT companies will fall more. So that would be a good entry, opportunity for investors to enter at right value. They're at high valuation. Okay, so just wait in these IT companies. Wait in these companies. Okay. So as if you're in my group, so Titan, I think that Titan could fall around 700 or so. I feel like this. That titan should fall around somewhere around 700 and even 650 also. So there we can take entry. But if does not fall, it crosses above. Currently, it is facing resistance around 820.30. If it crosses above 830.40, so we can take entry above 850 and then it will go higher. Above 850, we can take entry. Then it will go 1000 and 1200 and so on. But currently, it is in a level, it's in a trend that it is not crossing the 820.30 level. If it manages to cross 835, 30, 40, okay. So then above 88, 840 and above 850, we can take entry. Okay. So IDFC Bank, both are attractive. Okay, I think they have given some, healthy correction as well. Let me check Kotak, sorry, HDFC. IDFC. These are, yes friends, these are big companies and they have given some healthy corrections. Let me just check weekly chart. Yes friends, so see, it has come to a value area. Stock still at looking at weekly chart, it shows a sign of a reversal. Okay. So I'm telling you and look at the RSI value. Just let me show on daily chart friends. Yes. So wait for this level to come. If you are a conservative trader, if you want a safe investor, so you can wait for this stock to break this level. Let it close above this range. Okay. Let it close above, or we can take entry with, but we should maintain a strict stop loss of the low. Maintain strict stop loss of this latest low. Maybe it doesn't fall more. RSI looks, it is going stronger. Even weekly chart, it has shown that RSI is shown that it is now rising, but it has not given a big fall as well. So see friends, there is a range actually. You can maintain a stop loss of this level 1645, 1 minute. Yeah, 1645. Maintain a strict stop loss of 1645 and you can enter current level as well. You can enter current level. Okay. So then HDFC Bank. This is the HDFC Bank friends. 1 minute. I will check on weekly chart. So friends, it has, you can enter in this stock, but maintain a strict stop loss of the low. You can maintain a strict stop loss of 1900. Okay, if it breaks below 1900, then it can go, somewhere around 1800 as well. But if it could not break that 1900 level, so it can. And see friends, what is there? Look at there. There is a 50 period moving average also come. Okay, so once it, this 50 period moving average comes in support, so you can take entry. I think already 50 period, no. On daily chart, the 50 period moving average is not taken support. But yes, 200 period moving average is close to that level. Okay. So if we look at, daily chart, if once it comes in, gives a, closing above this level, so we can take entry once it has gone above, but again fallen. So friends, maintain a strict stop loss of 1900 and you can enter at this level. Wait for some more confirmation. Okay, I hope I am clear. Friends, I don't know EMAs. I have never trusted on EMAs. The most trusted, moving averages are the simple moving average, the most trusted. The signals are, the signal are most relevant. Okay. I trust only on, these simple moving averages because the signals are, they give us right signals. Their signals are very trustworthy. I trust on these moving averages only. I don't look EMAs and other things. I don't trust those moving averages. I trust simple moving averages because the signals are very relevant. They are very accurate signal trends. Those moving averages give some early signals. Okay, so maybe the signal are. I have not checked those also, but I don't trust those. I just trust these two moving averages. Simple moving averages. Okay. You can compare in any chart, so you will see some differences there. So simple moving averages give us more accurate signal, friends. They give us more accurate signals. Maybe there is a range. You might see that they give some big range signals. Okay, big levels. Okay, but the signals are very accurate. I hope I am clear. Friends, for intraday traders, strictly follow, uh, strictly follow, friends. First of all, you should understand the risk management. Strictly follow risk management. So, friends, in coming session, I will take a, session on risk management and money management, how to manage and how to position size, how to control and how much risk we should take. So, friends, I never take a risk of more than 1 to 2% of my total trading capital on intraday basis. And my target is in the ratio 1:2. If I take 1% risk, I expect 2%. This way. Okay, Ajay sir, 40% time my stop loss is hit. Sir, can you share me which stock you're saying, where you just tell me, you're telling about intraday? Let me guide you how and where you can save from your stop losses. Sir, if you have any query, you just tell me the stock name. I will check and I will explain where we should keep stop loss. Any other query, friends? And till this time, I have got everybody is asking good stocks. So if you are got some good stocks, friend, there's no need to think more. You can keep adding. If you are an investor, if you have a time horizon of 3 to 5 years, so you can simply keep on adding these stocks, small amount. Just keep adding in small amounts. Just keep adding 1% to 2% of your total capital. Keep investing in small amounts, but diversify your portfolio. Don't just, if you are choosing banking stocks, so see, choose one or two banking stock, maximum 1 or 2 banking stocks. Okay, then you go to some other sector, go to FMCG, go to IT, or go to some other stocks, motor. Okay, auto stocks, metal stocks. Choose two stocks from different sectors. Don't just focus on single sector. Okay, because see, if some sector will do good, so then whole of stocks will give same kind of movements, and if in case of fall, same stocks will fall in the same way. So that will not diversify our portfolio. Hello sir, how are you sir? Okay, you're saying positional sir, so then you might have taken wrong entry sir. Okay, your Gale I bought few days back, 365 level, but let me check Gale. Gale Limited. Let me show sir. Let me just check. What time frame did you use sir for entry? Will you tell me about it entry? I have opened Gale Limited on daily chart. So just give me details at what price and what level, which date you entered in Gale, and what was your stop loss. Okay, you're saying 4 hours. 4 hours. Sir, what was your entry price, sir? 4-hour chart. Okay. Let us just check 4-hour chart. And give me your entry price and your, stop loss level and, the date, so that I can check when you entered and when you exited. Okay, sorry, you have okay, sorry, you have told me that 365 level you bought it. I bought few days back 365. Okay, please tell me the date, sir. 365, and you have to exit at 345. So please tell me the date of your entry. 365 level is in this range somewhere. 365. So 365 maybe in this range as well. Sorry, let us go forward. Yeah. So please tell me the date and reason for your entry. Friends, there must be some reason to enter. On what basis you have taken entry? If we have taken entry in the when the stock was falling, and if you take entry there and say that it has fallen, my stop loss is it, then nothing will save you. Okay, there must be some reason to buy. Okay, 26, 27. Okay, let me check 26, 27. First of all, I want to go that date, September 25, 26. Okay, you have entered somewhere in this 26 or 27. No, that the price is very high. This is 273 or so. So this day the price is higher. It has not came to 65 level even. Okay. RSI was about 50. But sir, I could not see the price in this level in this date. So you might have taken entry somewhere back at this day to 65, maybe this day. So you have taken entry based on RSI 50 or so. Cross check RSI at that time it's above 50. Okay, means somewhere in this range. But this price is 375 or so, and it has gone higher also. Little bit movement, 392 or so. So I think you have taken a random entry anywhere. Okay, that's why your stop loss is hit. So don't just enter anywhere. We should take some sign. Just like look at this. You would have taken entry, but see this stock has gone down, and that is due to some news also. There is news, and I think this company deals with petroleum products. I hope so. 25th September. Okay, 25th September you bought it. Okay. Yes, sir. We have to agree that this stop loss is hit. But this is some news, friends. Due to some news, I think it's GAIL Limited is. Let's just study about GAIL. I will check. One minute. I will check. GAIL Limited. Sorry. Some other. Okay, this is Gale. Energy company in the hydrocarbon sector. The company is engaged in gas marketing. Okay, in company segment including transmission service, including natural gas, liquid petroleum gas. So yes, friends, it deals with petroleum products. Okay, directly indirectly it deals with petroleum products. Okay, and there is some news. Okay, that government has increased some tax. Some burden on the we can say investors. So due to petroleum products getting costlier, so it has fallen because of that. Okay, so there is some news, friends. You should understand that the news can affect it. So it has fallen from that level because of news. Okay, and it has gap down. So friends, we cannot do anything if someday it may happen with us. Okay, let me just show you that where we could have taken entry. But yes, if we have taken entry in this range as well, even in this range as well, the stock has not done well. It has remained in the friends. You can use one more thing, one more indicator is there, that is super trend. So we can follow this super trend also. Let me take super trend. Okay, those who don't understand things easily, they can make use of super trend and daily chart and follow it strictly. So see, super trend has one way, it has given by entering this level. Okay, stock gone higher and it has came down. So we should take an exit. As per super trend, there is selling condition. So friends, you can make use of super trend as well. So you have taken entry, in a range where stock was in a range. Okay, it was in a range. Okay, it was in this range. So okay, so there was, whenever we are in a range, so we should understand that range should be broken, either below or above. Only then we can take some decision. So it was continuously forming a pattern that it's showing a zigzag movement. It was if you have taken entry based on this zigzag movement. So it has given up move also. If you have entered this day on 25th, 365, okay, it has moved up to 391 also. So it has given you some profit. Okay, and once stock gives you some profit, you should keep your stop loss at cost to cost level. Make sure that you keep your stop loss at cost to cost. I will even add some profit, 370 and exit. Okay. Because see, there is no good sign of buying it. You just taken a buy only on the basis of RSI 50. The RSI 50 is a good sign, but it could not sustain and gone down. So we have to accept. We cannot do anything. Okay, sir. You can add sorry, super trend also for more confirmation and try to understand the overall pattern, sir. Stock is in a range. You could see there is a zigzag movement. So either if we have to buy it, we should wait for this zigzag level to be crossed. I will just remove our side. Sorry, super trend. So you could see here the stock is in a range. So you could understand that it could go to maximum that level, and this time it tried that. So there is a kind of double top. Sorry, it touched a kind of double top and again fall. Okay, triple top as well. So you should understand it could rise only up to that level. Either you should have waited for this stock to enter above 390 or better 400 level, buy it above 400 level. Okay, right. Because see, there is some range. Stock is showing a zigzag movement. So try to understand that what is the past movement is there. The stock is making a zigzag kind of movement. So in this case, we should avoid this stock. Avoid in such a condition. So don't just look at smaller time frames, just have a bigger look. Look at the bigger time frames. Try to understand the overall movement and then take some decision to buy yourself. See, in this range is not for buying. This is in most of the time people lose money in this condition. They keep buying here and they move up and down. Okay, this is not the level we should take an entry. The big players never take entry in this. This range is only because of small traders. Small traders they buy, retail traders buy and then they exit, buy and sell. Okay, so these movements happen only because of retail traders. Big players will buy it only above 400. Okay. So try to understand the overall movement of the chart. So it's simply a wrong entry, okay, and that's why your stop loss is hit. One day I told in the previous session I think I had told about ADX or herein we can check the DM directional movement. We can make use of that indicator and take entry according to that only. So let me just check the colors. For positional trades I have told you how to use it. For positional traders I have told how to use it. I have changed the colors. So look at the DMI. Okay, you have taken at the time when it was in the falling. See, this black line of ADX was falling down. So there was no question of buying in this stock. Okay, nowhere. So that's why your stop loss is hit. Okay, it has given a kind of sell signal this time and you have taken a buying entry. So your stop loss would hit, sir. Follow that, you use that, go with that video. ADX indicator for day traders and for positional traders, how to use it. Okay, so use that strategy and follow it strictly. See from this level, see once ADX black line goes about 21, we can take buy entry. So somewhere if we have taken buy entry in this level also and it has moved, what was that level, friends? It was the level of 59.60. This time it moved to 398 or so. So it has given some profit. Even you have got some profit, sir, but you have not booked. You have not taken profit and you later it fell down. So try to understand this. Yes, sir. Any other queries, friends? Or I will close the session here. ADX gives us a more confirmation, friends. ADX, it normally doesn't give signal easily. Its signals are very, strong. Follow it strictly. Friends, any other doubt? Otherwise, I will close the session here. Sir, always remember, once you have taken entry in stock, if it gives some profit and then starts falling from that level, there we need to trend stop loss to cost to cost. Once it comes cost to cost, we should take an exit. So from 365 it gone to 392. Okay. Most welcome, sir. Okay, friends, good luck. I'm closing the session here.